Hi there beautiful people, welcome back my channel one more time. In this video I will show you how to open an app in pop-up view mode your Android device. You can follow this guide step by step to easily open an app in pop-up view mode. Now let's get started. First, open any apps on your phone. Once you have opened the apps, go to the recent apps section, then find the app icon in the top menu bar, tap on it. After that, look at a few different options. Find the open in pop-up view option and tap on it. And automatically open that in the pop-up view mode your device. You can also change the size, drag anything and automatically activate the multitasking mode your phone. If you want to resize the screen, easily resize them anytime. Close the screen, simply swipe the bottom up and automatically close it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.